Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing another product which is Roborock QRevo S Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, and this was purchased from Good Guys store in Australia for Australian dollar $1,099. So let me show you, this is the latest vacuum cleaner. How good is the vacuum cleaner, what is inside the box, and I will be showing you some performance also. So let's open this box, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's see. So let me show you what's inside this box. So this is Roborock QRevo S vacuum cleaner. So this is the robotic vacuum cleaner. So inside the carton, this is the actual product box. So let me show you what's inside this one. So this is the latest vacuum cleaner in the market. So this is for the mopping brush, these two, and this is the cover, and this is the safety guidelines and some manual. And this is the robotic vacuum cleaner, very nicely packed. So this is the robotic vacuum cleaner, very nicely packed. And let's see further down what they have put up inside the box. So this is the power cord they have provided. And this is the charging station they have packed very nicely. So this is the charging station dock. So on the top it has two tanks, and one is for the dirty water and the other one is for the clean water. And this is the beautiful robotic vacuum cleaner. So this is the cover so that the vacuum cleaner can move to the charging station. So we need to attach this one here. See, now this is attached, and this is a basically like a ramp, and so that robot vacuum cleaner could move to the charging station below here. So guys, to set up we need this kind of app you can download from Android Play Store or Apple iTunes. So this is called Roborock. So you need to download that so that you can control the vacuum cleaner on your smartphone. To set up this vacuum cleaner, I have turned on the power, and now this light is on, and I'm going to download the app on my smartphone. To connect your device with your smartphone, you have to open the lid on the top cover, and under that there is a scan code which you have to scan. There will be a barcode, QR code. So I have turned on the device. So now it is flashing, mean it is going to connect with my app. See, these are the key feature of this product, 7000 PA suction, and as you can see, it has a dual spinning mops, and it has a auto mop washing facility, and auto dust emptying, so it will empty the dust automatically, and reactive tech obstacle avoidance, so if there is any obstacle, it will be automatically detecting that and avoiding that. See, this vacuum cleaner is working now. As you can see that it's not noisy, it's very quiet vacuum cleaner. So this is the way you can attach the mop under the vacuum cleaner. So if you need to mop, this mop pad will be helpful, and this is for suction, and it will take water from one bucket and then uh, throwing the dirty water in the second bucket. See, now we are pressing return to the dock, so I will show you how it will be going back to the docking station. My docking station is that way. Let me see whether it is detecting that or no. This new baby is lost, looking here and there, but I hope it will go back to the docking station. So it is moving towards the docking station, as you can see that. Very nicely and very quietly it is going back for the charging station. As you can see that, using the ramps it will go back to the charging station. And here it is. See, now you can see the sound. It is emptying the dustpan. Whatever dust it has collected, it has emptied that. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. I will be happy to answer, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.